Hello friends, welcome to Crochet World. Today in this video I am going to share you some tips and tricks about how to make a standard kitchen for your home decor. So let's get started the video. Number 1. Layout planning. Work triangle. Arrange your stove, sink and refrigerator in a triangle layout for efficient movement while cooking. Clear zones. Separate areas for cooking, preparing and cleaning to streamline tasks. Number 2. Strong solutions. Cabinetry. Install enough cabinets for strong of pots, pans, utilized and dry goods. Consider deep drawers for easy access. Pantry. Include a pantry or a strong closet for storing bulk item and less frequently used appliance. Varietal space. Use all mountain shelves or racks for storing items like spices, oils and cookbooks. Number 3. Countertops. Choose durable materials like granite or quartz that are easy to clean and maintain. Ensure adequate counter space around key area like the sink and stove for food preparation. Number 4. Lighting. Task lighting. Install under cabinet lighting for better visibility while cooking. Ambient lighting. Use overhead lights to brighten the interior of kitchen. Natural light. Maximize natural light with a large window or skylights if possible. Number 5. Appliance. Invest in energy efficient applications that fit your cooking needs and kitchen space. Consider built-in or Instagram appliances for a sleek look and efficient use of space. Number 6. Ventilation. Install a range hood to vent cooking pots and smoke outside the kitchen. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent humidity build up and maintain air quality. Flooring. Choose flooring that is durable, easy to clean and sleep resistant. Options like tile, vinyl or hardwood are popular choice. Number 8. Safety consideration. Install child roof locks on lower cabinets if you have growing children. Keep heavy items and sharp objects stored safely and out of reach. Number 9. Electrical outlets and sockets. Place electrical outside strongly for small appliances and gadgets, ensuring they are easily accessible but not obstructive. Number 10. Personal touches. Add personal touches like decorative accents, artwork or a small indoor plants to make the kitchen feel welcoming and comfortable. By combining functionally what is accessible, you can create a standard kitchen that is efficient, practical, and enjoyable to use. Thank you for staying with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.